Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the silent mode feature on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is scroll up on the home screen and select the setting gear button. And then you want to scroll down on this page until you get to where it says sound and vibration. And then at the top control here, it says medium volume. This is basically the master sound control for your device. If you go all the way to the left, it'll turn off all sounds. But if you go up or up to the right, it'll increase the sound output on your Android device. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.